Hey guys, it's Fo from mamaandmoney.com, where I teach you how to make and manage money to become financially free. In this video, I'm going to be sharing how you can make passive income on Etsy. So if you're interested in learning how you can make money on Etsy, stay tuned. Alright guys, before we get started, go ahead and download my ultimate guide for making money online, where I show you how you can monetize your expertise to sell products, services, and your influence online. So if you're interested in learning how you can make money online, be sure to grab this free guide before we get started. The link to download will be in the description of this video or in the cards above. Alright, so let's get started. So first and foremost, if you're watching this video, you are interested in opening an Etsy shop. Congratulations. I tried to open an Etsy shop many years ago. I didn't do anything with it. So I finally got serious about it last year. And so I opened up a new shop because I really wanted a way to generate passive income along with my blog and other things that I do online. So I opened this Etsy shop, and after kind of figuring out the way Etsy works and figuring out some hacks and tricks that I want to share with you guys, I've been able to make 4 figures with Etsy by not doing anything at all. Not telling you guys about my Etsy shop for the most part, not doing anything. So if you want to know how you can make passive income with Etsy, definitely make sure you watch the full video so you can get all the tips and tricks that I have learned over the past year. First and foremost, before opening your Etsy shop, the first thing that you want to do is figure out what niche you want to sell in. This is basically kind of like saying, what industry do you want to sell your products in? Some very popular and profitable niches on Etsy include wedding, baby, things like bachelorette parties, birthday parties. Things that are really event-based are very profitable on Etsy. Now, that's not to say that you can't be profitable in any other niche, but these are some of the most profitable niches and popular niches on Etsy. So first and foremost, figure out what niche you want to serve, and then from there, you can figure out what products will be valuable to the people who are interested in purchasing. Now, if you want to be able to make a significant amount of income, passive income on Etsy, the number one thing that you have to identify is, what do people want to buy? A lot of times when you go into business, you think that, you create this product and people will come. Now, if you're like an innovative tech company, yes, that's probably the case. No one was thinking about an iPhone before Apple invented it. But in majority of cases, you have to go with what people want to buy. What are people searching for? What are they looking for? What are they in need of? And then you provide that particular service or product. So when you think about Etsy, once you figure out the niche that you're going to be in, you need to figure out what exactly are people searching for? What are they in need of? What are they looking to buy? And then you create a product that meets that need. Here's the thing about Etsy or any other product that you sell. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. A lot of times you just have to make it better. So you can go on Etsy and see what people are already selling, and perhaps you can create a better version of that product that other people can buy. Now, I'll be honest, I go a lot more in depth on how to identify your niche and even figure out the best-selling products to sell without even doing a lot of work in my course, Product to Profit, where I teach you how to create digital products to sell on platforms like Etsy. So if you're really interested in learning how to get yourself started on Etsy, selling digital products and making a lot of passive income, you definitely want to check out that course, Product to Profit. The link for that will be in the description of this video. Okay, so let's keep going. Once you identify the niche that you're going to be in and you kind of see what people are interested in buying based on what they're searching for, you can create products. Now, if you want to create passive income on Etsy, you want to create products that do not require you to do any work. Now, a lot of times when people think about Etsy, they think of it as a craft website, meaning people are making handmade crafts on Etsy to sell things like jewelry, things like home decor. That used to be the case a few years ago, where Etsy was only meant for handmade items. But since then, in the past several years, they have considered things like digital products or even t-shirts that are drop shipped to be considered handmade. As long as they are original, they are considered to be handmade items that you can sell on Etsy. So if you thought that you could only sell crafts on Etsy, that's not the case. You can actually sell digital products and you can also drop ship on Etsy. So I want to talk about those two things. Now, I am all for selling digital products. Digital products is the ultimate way to make passive income. You literally can create a product one time and sell it hundreds of thousands, if not millions of times over without having to do any additional work or anything. So that's why I love digital products, to make passive income. Now, the great thing is that you can actually sell digital products on Etsy, which is exactly what I do. Now, the key here is knowing exactly what digital products to sell. So I'll just give you a few ideas of some digital products that you can sell on Etsy to make passive income. The first product that I will definitely encourage most people to sell on Etsy are printables. People love printables, whether that is a printable coloring page for your kid, whether it's a printable fitness tracker or some kind of food tracker, health tracker, whatever the case may be. People love printables, and you can create these and place them on Etsy to sell. I literally sell printables on a daily basis. Printables are definitely a must-have digital product to sell on Etsy if you want to make passive income. The second digital product that I would recommend would be a spreadsheet. Not everyone is savvy with Excel, Google Sheets, Apple numbers. Not everyone's really savvy with spreadsheets. So if you are a savvy person when it comes to spreadsheets, that is definitely something that sells very well on Etsy. I know this for a fact. So if you can create a spreadsheet, maybe perhaps it's a budget template or some kind of planner or a way to track business expenses, there are so many uses for spreadsheets. But if you are able to create a spreadsheet, that is definitely a passive income idea or source that you can leverage on Etsy's platform. The third digital product that I would recommend selling on Etsy for passive income are templates. So think about wedding invitation templates or sign templates, like party sign templates, or signs for a wedding, like table seating arrangements or table numbers. Those are examples of templates that you can create that you can sell on Etsy. There are platforms like Canva that allow you to create templates that you can sell for people to edit to make their own customization. So templates are definitely a high in demand digital product that you can sell on Etsy for passive income. Now, those are digital products which I love, and again, I teach all of this in my course, Products to Profit, where I teach you how to create and sell digital products to market them on platforms like Etsy or even your own website. Now, digital products are great, but there is another option for generating passive income on Etsy, and that's through dropshipping. Now, again, you're wondering, how in the world is dropshipping considered handmade? Well, if you make the designs yourself, that is considered a custom design or something that's handmade. So you could literally create t-shirt designs that you put on Etsy, and you can have a third party actually do the printing, the fulfillment, the shipping, the processing, all that for you. And so I have done drop shipping on Etsy. It's not necessarily one of my favorite things to do. It does take some management to make sure, you know, that the vendor has all the sizes and colors that you need, but it is a great option if you learn how to work it. So you can design t-shirts. I like to design my t-shirts in Canva, which may surprise a lot of people. It's the same place that I design a lot of my digital products, but I take those designs, put it in a third-party site like Printful, which is what I use for my drop shipping, and they are able to integrate with Etsy. And once someone buys a shirt, they take the order, they print it, they package it, and they ship it out, and they handle everything for me. So that is a way to generate passive income on Etsy with drop shipping. So I'll leave all the information for Printful, which is the site that I use for my drop shipping, and Canva, which is the site that you can use to create your designs to put on your t-shirts. But overall, Etsy is an amazing option for you if you don't have a website, you don't want to have a website, and you just want to be able to create a product to make passive income online. So if you're interested in starting an Etsy shop, I have a link that you can use below to get some free listings. You'll learn that this is super important when you start an Etsy shop. You do have to pay for listings, but you can grab 40 free listings if you set up your shop using the link in the description of this video. Again, if you want to learn more about selling on Etsy and how I was able to start my shop from $0 and work it up to 4 figures in just a few months, you want to join my course, Product to Profit, where I teach you how to create and sell digital products on platforms like Etsy or your own website. So if you watched to this point in the video, then you already know about the free Etsy listings that you can get when you use the link in the description. So I want to keep a secret in between us, just so you know, it's only for the people who've watched to the end of the video. In the comments below, I want you to type in "got my free 40," okay? That'll be our little secret that no one else knows unless they watch the full video. Okay, guys? All right, so if you're interested in more videos on how you can make money online, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you are interested in this kind of content. And of course, don't forget to grab my free guide where I teach you how you can monetize your expertise online. All right, guys, I'll talk to you in another video. Bye.